Pharmacovigilance in Clinical Trials. Welcome to this presentation on pharmacovigilance, PV, in clinical trials, CT. Today, we will explore the key aspects of PV in CTs, including definitions, responsibilities, development safety update reports, DSURs, main challenges, and the legal background. Understanding these elements is essential to ensure the safety of participants and the integrity of clinical trial data. Disclaimer. The content on these slides is copyrighted by Next PV Services, SRO, and reflects the views of the creator. While our team leverages AI to enhance our operations, the responsibility for accuracy, relevancy, and integrity remains with our human experts. This blend ensures high-quality, timely, and informative content. Content. Today's presentation covers the following topics: definitions relevant to PV in CTs, PV responsibilities in CTs, development safety update reports, DSURs, main challenges in PV for CTs, and the legal background of these activities. Each section will provide a comprehensive overview to ensure a thorough understanding of PV in the context of clinical trials. Definitions. A clinical trial, as defined by Directive 2001/20, is any investigation in human subjects intended to discover or verify clinical, pharmacological, or other pharmacodynamic effects of one or more investigational medicinal products, IMPs. This includes identifying adverse reactions, studying absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion with the objective of ascertaining safety and efficacy. An investigational medicinal product, IMP, is a pharmaceutical form of an active substance, or placebo, being tested or used as a reference in a clinical trial. This includes products already authorized but used in a different form for unauthorized indications, or to gain further information about the authorized form. A sponsor, per Directive 2001/20, is an individual, company, institution, or organization responsible for the initiation, management, and financing of a clinical trial. The investigator is a doctor or professional responsible for conducting the trial at a site, often referred to as the principal investigator if leading a team. The investigator's brochure, IB, is a compilation of clinical and non-clinical data on the IMP relevant to its study in human subjects. The protocol is a document detailing the objectives, design, methodology, statistical considerations, and organization of a trial. A subject is an individual who participates in a clinical trial as a recipient of the IMP or as a control. The Ethics Committee, EC, consists of healthcare professionals and non-medical members responsible for protecting the rights, safety, and well-being of trial subjects by reviewing trial protocols and investigator suitability. Adverse event, AE, is any untoward medical occurrence in a patient administered a pharmaceutical product, not necessarily causally related to treatment. Adverse drug reaction, ADR, refers to any noxious and unintended response to a medicinal product related to any dose. Serious AEs or ADRs include events resulting in death, being life-threatening, requiring hospitalization, causing disability, or being a congenital anomaly. Unexpected adverse reaction is an adverse reaction not consistent with applicable product information. A suspected unexpected. Serious adverse reaction, SUSAR, is an adverse reaction that is serious, related, and unexpected. Other terms include SAE, serious adverse event, SADR, serious adverse drug reaction, PV responsibilities in CT. The responsibilities of investigators include reporting serious adverse events, SAEs, and pregnancies to the sponsor, and non-serious adverse events if specified in the protocol. Sponsors are responsible for recording adverse events, reporting SUSARs to applicable authorities, annual safety reporting, continual risk-benefit reassessment, and ensuring data collection and evaluation systems are described in SOPs. Sponsors may transfer trial-related activities to a third party, but ultimate responsibility remains with the sponsor. Contract research organizations, CROs, may handle site coordination, investigator education, and documentation. PV providers manage SAE, pregnancy, SUSAR reporting, and DSUR preparation. Investigators must record all AEs in the case report form, CRF, ECRF, report SAEs and pregnancies within 24 hours to the sponsor, and follow the protocol for other event reporting. They must not report SAEs if excluded in the protocol. DSUR. The Development Safety Update Report, DSUR, is an annual report presenting a comprehensive review of pertinent safety information collected during the reporting period for a drug under investigation. According to ICH Guideline E2F, it is analogous to the PSUR for authorized products and is submitted yearly to competent authorities, CAs, and ethics committees, ECs. The main objectives of the DSUR are to present the drug's safety profile based on previous knowledge and new information from the reporting interval, describe the status of the clinical development program, highlight new issues impacting trials or development, and summarize the current understanding and management of safety concerns. Main challenges of PV and CT's PV in clinical trials faces several challenges, including varying national safety reporting requirements among member states, the absence of centralized electronic reporting of ICSRs via E2B in all countries, and the complex processing and submission of safety reports to various recipients. Additionally, the sensitivity of assessed data, particularly for unauthorized medicines, poses significant challenges. Legal background. The legal framework for PV in clinical trials is established by several key documents, including Directive 2001/20 on the Implementation of Good Clinical Practice, GCP, amended by Regulations 1901/2006 and 596/2009. Directive 2005/28 and ICH Guidelines E6 and E2A provide further guidance on GCP and pre-marketing definitions. The CT3 guidance addresses safety reporting in clinical trials, and the Clinical Trials Regulation EU No. 536/2014, along with Udrelex Volume 10, outlines clinical trial guidelines. Thank you for your attention. We hope you found this presentation useful. Please don't hesitate to contact Next PV for any further questions. We don't just fulfill tasks, we support and take care of our clients.